Assalamu alaikum, Nazar Chauhan from New Jersey, USA, continuing with the discussion on my case against the Muslim word. And today would be volume 4. And I'll try to sum it up in 5 volumes. And then it would be open for the Muslim diaspora, Muslim scholars, and in the states, in the governments, to have a free debate on that issue. And I think unless we address those problems, we are neither Muslims and we are nor going to succeed in this extremely competitive world, may it be material or may it be spiritual. I would like to start my today's vlog from a comment by one of the top online company in Pakistan platform, Daraz, whose CEO remarked that for e-commerce, Pakistan is a very difficult state, and one who putting it exactly, let me tell you the words, and where Biden has rated Pakistan as difficult, dangerous. This CEO has rated it as difficult. Pak is difficult market to operate e-commerce because of low trust and sellers not fulfilling their promises. Daraz CEO Bajar Ke Mickelson, unfortunately, we have long forgotten teaching of Prophet, peace be upon him, who was known for his trustworthiness in Makkah from his teenage, much before he was given prophethood. It's not absence of PayPal or government policies that drag us behind. It's lack of basic ethics and character that haunts us everywhere. Problem in Pakistan is of character, and the Muslim word is of character. Another person I was talking to, he is probably a very high up in the Muslim donors fund, Tariq Chima. He is with me on LinkedIn. And today he was asking me that what can be the solution to the problems you have raised here with these Islamic NGOs, Islamic Relief, etc. I said, very simple. Issues are same as are with the Khuwat. They are not inclusive. They do not like to have an opinion or a feedback. No audit, no accountability, nothing. Here too, in an Islamic relief feedback, just imagine we were a group of 12 who went to that Hurricane Iron operation in Tampa. Out of that, when I gave my feedback and circulated in the group, 10 of them not only despised me, if I was present in their company, would have beaten me. Only 2 accepted it as an opinion. Mr. Isa, a young boy from Chicago, and a young girl, Samia Majid from Virginia, they at least accepted it, that on the face of it, let's see it, what he is saying. Let's consider what the man is saying. They neither praised me, which I never wanted, nor they sided with me. They simply said, okay, let's listen to him. Other 10 didn't agree even to listen to me. Very strange. I pray they are both very beautiful young couple. They get married soon, and that would be very good for Islam, and they would be the carrier of real Islamic thought. Islam, as I told you, has been hit hard by people like Nike, people like Hamdi. They have tried to glorify Islam. There is nothing which is to be glorified about Islam. It was a way of life which Muhammad, peace be upon him, followed. Okay, very simple. Except that there was nothing, no religion, nothing, no special significance or a special status to Muslims. Absolutely not. That all of them will go to Jannah, though I don't believe in Jannah, but still, there is no such thing. Try to get out of it. Be into actual words. Mary Campbell, again, I miss her a lot. She is bashing Israel a lot, a Zionist lobby a lot, Ukraine government a lot these days on her LinkedIn profile. I am so impressed. Other day, she picked up a statement by a government official of Egypt saying that the atrocities of Israel has become intolerable against the Palestinians. And she was laughing, comically laughing at him, at that guy, and said, "Who is saying this thing?" I said, "Yes, General Sisi, who is an American tout." These American touts, you see, these basically they are projecting Zionist case. All that moneyed class in Muslim world and all the political representatives and governments, they represent, they advocate, they promote Zionist case. Islamic Relief in USA and in Pakistan is promoting Zionist case. I can prove this thing. Oh, bloody well, then say that Jews are very good. Okay, let's embrace them. Why are you calling yourself Islamic Relief or Muslims or all this? Yes, what could people say? What could have happened? I can say to Tariq Chima, can a member like me can a person like me be included in their board for open debate on the accountability and on the feedbacks they get? I will take no money for that board membership. I remember with one eminent lawyer, Iqbal Jafri, who passed away this year. I remember I was attending one shareholders meeting, board of directors meeting of Dawood Group. Razak Dawood was there, his young son Taimur was there, and there Iqbal Jafri had opted for minority share membership as an honorary member. You know that in these corporate sector, all the slots in the directorship goes to the major shareholders, and that is how they exploit and they do all bad things through monopoly. So Razak Dawood in some of his talks somewhere in Lams or somewhere said that there need to be now a minority minority shareholder member in the board. Iqbal Jafri said, okay, let me come forward. He contested and he got no vote except of himself. And he stood up and he said, Mr. Razak Dawood, you are a liar, you are a cheater. And Taimur stood up when Taimur saw his dad is being openly bashed. Sit down, sit down. This is the problem with the NGOs. This is the problem with the Muslim world. They are exploiters. They want to control things. They want to monopolize things. They do not want to come to the real conduct because they will lose. They can't live a simple life. If they put all these things to their own self, to their own family, like I gave a rejoinder to Fawad Hassan Fuad, and I'm very glad people liked it a lot, that he had the guts, a cheater had the guts to come up in a junk newspaper and regarding his innocence. Until now, nobody from his side, his wife, his kids, his friends, could come up to challenge my reply to him on that article. None of the paper even agreed to publish my opinion. That is the biggest problem. That was Socrates. That why Socrates was to take the poison was that. He said think. He never said think what. Okay? So that is a problem with the Muslim world. Their own conduct, their ethos, what the Daraz chief has said. Problem is of ethics. Muslim society has lost the basic ethics. From camels to Cadillac, the journey from camels to Cadillac was horrible. They ruined them. They ruined Arabs. They ruined every Muslim country, let me tell you. So that is basically a point that a person like me is never put on the board, is never allowed, never entertained. Feedbacks are never liked. Accountability is never liked. Okay? It is not at all inclusive. Okay? Share. All the Muslim community is not included in it. We are excluded. CEOs, nobody knows Islamic Relief CEO's email. Tariq Malik, I please, sir, Tariq Chima, please, I challenge you that can you get me the email of Islamic Relief, Wasim Ahmad, the illiterate guy. Basically, I am from Pakistan. He also comes from Pakistan. Totally an illiterate person, very frankly. Can you get me his email? Okay, then all the issues would be resolved. That's all for today, and I'll keep it up. Try to wind up in the next volume. Thanks. Allah Negaba.